Hello, welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Recording artist Vanessa Bling has released her EP Still Standing. She released it on Tuesday at Tracks and Records in St. Andrew. The glitzy affair was filled with fun, food, laughter and style as patrons showed up and showed out to give their support for her new music and to see her performing her new songs live. Vanessa Bling shared the inspiration behind the album's title, Still Standing.
I've been through a lot, so I think Still Standing represents me as a strong woman, despite everything that I've been through.
She expressed that her new music will entail different genres in an effort to appeal to everyone.
I've never yet limited myself to say, all right, I have to sing this type of genre of songs, so I always want to be out of the box and show the world that I have it in me.
Manager Rosina Nagusi shared why she chose to sign Vanessa Bling to Entrade Records.
You know, one thing I realized with Vanessa, she has so much talent, but they couldn't pinpoint and bring out the best in her. So what I did is I told her, if you want me to sign you, you're gonna have to come to Atlanta, mix and mingle, able to work with different producers and writers. She was all for it, and she impressed me, and she's so talented, and I love her, and her work ethic is amazing. She's on point.
The EP Still Standing is produced by New Yorker Madison and has 6 tracks, including her new single 10 Bags.
I count this money like eyes on me. I count this money like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags. I count this money like 1, 2, 3. I count this money like eyes on me. I count this money like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Still Standing is a follow-up to Vanessa Bling's EP Girl Boss, which was released back in 2012 and featured the hit track Everything for Hualim. Dancehall artist Jamil is set to release his debut album, Great Man. Set for the first quarter of 2018, the album's title speaks to Jamil's drive, him overcoming struggles in the industry and his potent delivery on and off stage. Great Man is also Jamil's moniker, and in 2016 he released a single of the same name. He is currently promoting his single Still Not Over You, produced by DJ Frass. In the song, Jamil touches on some of the battles that may come between two persons in a relationship seeking the right love. Still Not Over You is the first single off the album. Director Ryan Coogler is teaming with LeBron James on the long-anticipated follow-up to the Michael Jordan Bugs Bunny hit Space Jam. Coogler, who directed the record-breaking Black Panther film, will produce the new Space Jam movie, while Terrence Nance, who created HBO's Random Acts of Flyness and directed the experimental film The Oversimplification of Her Beauty, will direct. Production on the Warner Brothers film is tentatively slated for next year during the NBA off-season. It will be LeBron James' first starring role after a successful turn as a supporting character in the 2015 comedy Trainwreck. The announcement of the Space Jam project coincides with James's recent surge in Hollywood film and TV projects as a producer. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.